think she will support anyone who expresses interest as long as that person is supporting the administration. Because just like HNP, what's the reason why we're going around the whole country? It's because we're trying to help the president to push for his programs. That's why we're trying to campaign for the senators, because we know na if they're the ones sitting in the Senate, they'll be able to help Pangulo with what he wants to happen in the country. Diba? With the relevant laws that are needed to run his programs.
Pero decided ka ba if you're running?
For speakership,
Yeah.
it's destiny. Speakership is destiny, just like the presidency, just like the vice presidency, just like any other position. Siyempre, I've decided to run for the speakership, pero if it's not for me, it's not for me.
Bago lang yan ang...
Yung?
So is it true yung before yung kay GMA, ikaw daw talaga yung first choice mo? Ikaw ba
Ikaw
yun?
naman daw talaga
Ikaw daw talaga yung GMA. Ano, what's
You see
the
my
story
smile?
behind? Your smile is
You see
up
my smile?
here.